Back behind the picket fence, it's lunchtime for everyone. At 10 weeks, the foster kittens are becoming independent young cats. And while they no longer need the dogs to show them the way, it's always nice to be able to share your table with friends. Of course, for Wally and Buster, it took a little convincing from the time the litter arrived. Though Louise was eager to say hello, the dogs weren't so pleased with the new arrangement. But while trying to get the dogs to take her under their wing, Louise learned to fly all on her own. And today, the kittens will all be spreading their wings as they meet their new families. Mimi and her siblings are now big and strong enough to head out into the world. And Wally and Buster fondly send them on their merry way. And at last, their home is all about the dogs again. Or is it? This will be Louise's permanent home. And this will be Louise's permanent bed. Luckily, she's more than willing to share. Out at the Bobtail's hacienda, the foursome is practicing their hunting skills, which now include climbing and camouflage. First-time Mom Tempest can hardly believe what her kittens can do. Most important, they're doing it together. Even only girl Ruby Joe. It wasn't always that way. In the beginning, when the four were just balls of fluff, Ruby Joe had to hunt for her place among the boys. But she soon proved to be the boldest hunter of all, tracking down the biggest prizes and pulling off the boldest moves. Today, a new chapter begins as the kittens head off to their new loving homes. Bobtail boy Rufus meets a friend who's really set her sights on him, while bold little hunter Ruby Joe will stay right here at home with Mom Tempest and housemate Saxon, the hound she once hunted, now a hunting companion.